Hi guys, it's been a nice weather today. It's been sunny, quite warm, and it's my day off, so I stayed home today, but I fancy making some pudding, so I decided to make a cheesecake with black cherry jam on top. This is a non-oven cheesecake, so it's easy. One of my favorite and a very indulgent treat for everybody. So let's do it! Here's our ingredients I'm gonna use for our cheesecake. I have some digestive biscuit. I use a chocolate one and a double cream and a Philadelphia cheese, butter, and our icing sugar. So yeah, so let's start to do our base first. So I'm gonna crush our digestive biscuits and add some butter. So first thing is I'm going to melt the butter. So let's do this. Okay guys, so we're gonna melt our butter now. Okay, so we're going to crush now our digestive biscuits. Okay, just add in our butter. Here's our base now. Just put in our tin and we just press it down. Okay guys, so that's it. It's done now. So I'm just going to set this, leave it in the fridge for around 4 to 6 hours. Okay, so let's put now in the fridge. Okay guys, I'm going to prepare now our cheese. So, just add my double cream. Here we go. So I'm just going to whisk our cream. Okay, I'm just going to add our icing sugar. I think that will do. Here you go guys, it's nice and thick. So our next one guys is we're gonna whisk our cream now. This is all the cream, look at that, it's nice and soft. Just put in our bowl. I use the 3 tub and I'll just add some vanilla. That's it. So we're just going to whisk our cream now. I'm just going to fold the cream to the cheese. There you go. It's done. So we're just going to put on top of our base now. So I'll just get the base from the fridge. Here we go, guys. Just gonna put the cheesecake now on top. Okay guys, so it's ready now to put in the fridge. So I'm gonna leave it for overnight to set our cheese. Then we're gonna make our toppings. Okay guys, we're going to do our toppings now. So I have here black cherries. I use 1 tin of black cherries. So I'm just going to simmer it in a low heat until it becomes syrupy. So we'll just add in our pan. I love to flavor my topping. So I'm just going to lightly zest with the clementine to add some flavor. And add okay, I'll just add a little sugar. Give a taste. So let's simmer with the medium heat until the becomes syrupy. So leave it like that for now. Okay guys, our cherries is already done, as you can see. Let's cool it down first before adding to our cheesecake. Here's our cheesecake now guys. So it's ready. And our toppings is already cooled down. So I'll just take it out from the tin. Ooh. Just leave it here. Here we go. And I'm just going to put our cherry. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. See you again next time. Bye!